Whether you're running a shop, working mobile and looking to expand your service menu, or if you're just someone who really cares about your car, yellow and oxidized headlights are a really common problem. In some states, up to 65% of vehicles over 3 years old have cloudy, oxidized headlights, much like this one right here. That's a huge opportunity just waiting to be tapped into. This is where the Headlight Rescue Kit comes in. It's professional grade, it's easy to use, and gets real long-lasting results. When we created this kit, we focused on two things: long-lasting results and keeping your costs down. So you get high-quality headlight restoration repairs without burning through expensive supplies or investing in any expensive equipment. Let's talk about the numbers. Headlight restoration services typically bring in anywhere from $100 to $200 per set. And with all the cars you see in a day, it's easy to see how this could be a solid revenue booster for you. Now, each kit has enough supplies to do 2 to 3 sets of headlights depending on the size. The kits are sold individually like this or in bulk, so you can scale it however you need or just use it in your own garage. The Headlight Rescue Coat is a UV cured product and has been independently tested and proven to bond permanently to the surface. That means your repairs are built to last through intense sun, rain, and daily driving for years to come. Now, if you're already offering rock chip repair, window tinting, detailing, or PDR services, headlight restoration is a really natural add-on. The cars are already there. Why not offer another high-value service? The Headlight Rescue Kit is simple, professional, and very profitable. If you're ready to say yes to more jobs and deliver serious results, this kit is for you. The process itself, super simple. Prep, sand, coat, cure. Most jobs take around 10 to 15 minutes start to finish. For more detailed information on the Headlight Rescue Kit from GlasWeld, check out GlasWeld.com.